Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. So in this video we are going to be supplying, primering, painting and fitting a rear roof spoiler, or two spoilers if you like, to a brand new Ford Transit Custom. So this is for John Grose Group. So we've got John Grose Ford in Ipswich and John Grose Ford in Lowestoft. This one's for Lowestoft for one of their customers, so don't forget to check them out if you'd like a new van or a used van, and of course check us out, Black Stag Styling, for any of your styling. So we'll crack on with the video. We're going to get this in the workshop. We're going to test fit the spoiler first of all, make sure we're all good, then we'll look to get it all prepped, primered and then fitted to the vehicle. Don't forget, turn on your notifications, like and subscribe to the channel. Let's crack on. Hello mate, here we go.
Hello.
What are we doing then, James? I know the sun's in your eyes a bit there.
Just test fitting a spoiler for one of the Transit Custom vans. Just making sure that it follows the line properly before I prep it up and paint it.
Superb. They looking okay?
They look lovely, mate.
They look
lovely. Yeah, I'm very happy.
In grey, that ad's favourite colour.
Primer grey, you say?
All lining up alright?
Primer grey, yeah. Cut out, follows the line, lovely. Push it back nicely. Lovely.
Superb. Okay, mate.
Lovely job. There's a cutout that's got to sit on that line, mate. See it?
Hello there, Adam.
Hello, mate. How we doing?
We're good, mate. We're good.
Good.
So
We're
looks like
just popping a bit of the old plastic primer on before we put our glue on. We've scotched up the top of the doors and the bottom of these spoilers here, just to give it a little bit extra to hold them on.
Lovely. Yeah.
Then we're going to stick the bad boys on.
Okay, so that's the old primer you're putting on.
It's the old primer. It's not a lollipop. It might look like it.
Excellent.
It's well and truly worth it.
Worth every penny in it, mate. Worth every penny. So clean the tops of the doors as well. Just have a little look up there.
Scotch them and then degrease the tops.
Okay, lovely. Superb. I'll give young Adam a hand to put them on in a moment.
Oh,
I'll be back.
Mate. Just that one, because you got off the camera the other one.
Yeah.
Understandable.
There we go now. Right, we're getting the old bonding agent on, aren't we, Ad?
Yeah, baby. Here we go. Here it comes.
Here he goes.
What do you think of that? What do you think of that, hey? How you like them chestnuts?
Nice. Nice chestnuts. Liking the Black Stag t-shirt as well.
Hey, like that.
Available to purchase, of course. Put plenty of the bonding agent on.
Don't want to come off, do we?
Exactly, we don't want it parting from thy van. There we go, lovely. Done that before, haven't you, bud?
A few times now.
So next thing will be is getting it lined up on the top of the van. We'll get the bonding agent on the other spoiler as well. We'll get it onto the van, get it taped on. Woo! Woohoo!
Come a cropper. Right, so now plopping the spoiler onto the top of the van. Tell you what, we're going to put it on that side. We're going to put it on that side. We'll come back to that side. Yeah, right, here we go, right.
Can't see you doing this side, pal.
Okay, wait a minute. Right, we're just gonna go to a small commercial break.
we go. This side we're doing. You got the wrong side, do we? Don't let go. Got it? Don't let go. I got it, pal. God's sake, don't let go. You've been framed at the moment, that one.
That's it. I'll split the money, don't worry about it.
Don't mate.
Hi guys, and thanks as always for checking out another one of our Black Stag videos. So as you've seen, we have now finished the Ford Transit custom van for John Grose in Lowestoft for one of their customers. So we've supplied and fitted, or supplied, test fitted, then primered, painted and lacquered, and then fitted the spoiler onto the back of the vehicle. It's all done. It's now ready to go back to John Grose. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications. Of course, if there's any styling you need, please get in contact with us at Black Stag Styling. Of course, if you're after a brand new van or pickup truck, then don't forget to contact John Grose. We've got John Grose Ford in Ipswich, and of course John Grose in Lowestoft as well. You can work with them. They can source the exact van you want, kit it out exactly as you require, and then of course through ourselves at Black Stag Styling, we can help you style it to exactly what you require. Thanks very much, and we'll speak to you again soon.